Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Also, if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up and don't forget to comment below and let me know what you think. It really does help my channel. Thank you for watching. God bless. So I have these wood pieces. I found a table also in the garbage because I find so much stuff in the garbage. But the table had like 12 different legs, long ones, short ones. But the ones that have the screws, I'm gonna have to get a tool or something to get them out because I can't. So I would have rather used these or the other shorter ones, but they have these screws in them and I can't get them out with what I have. So I just went outside and I cut these in half. They were like this. And I basically, I used my saw and I cut it right here. And then I sanded down this end here. So I'm not gonna use these, but I'm gonna use those four. Hopefully it's not too tall, but I think it's not. So let's see how this turns out.